Okay, welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial, I'm going to level up building. So the building, I'm going to pass the building level. So go down to building and click on building. That will take you to the building section. So here, I've already passed practice 1, and I'm going to go to the level test. So I click on level test. Now you don't actually have to pass level 1 or the practice 1 in order to do the level test. But as soon as you click that button, the timer has started. So I've got to get going here. So push button N, I need a quantity of 2. So again, I go to the robot store. Got to find push button N, and I need 2 of them. Then I scroll down to the bottom and click checkout. And here I need push button L and 2 of those. So again, robot store, scroll down, push button L, here it is, and I need 2 of those. And click checkout. Okay, so here I have a required quantity of 2. Here again a required quantity of 2. And both of these orders I got correct, so those are good. My time was 45 seconds. It needed to be less than 90. So here it says level up building. Now if I go home and go back to building, you can see there that building was on level 1. I'm now on level 1. If I want to review any of the previous building lessons or practices, I can click on previous level, and that'll take me to the previous level, and I can do both of those. You can see they're both passed. Click back on next level, and so this is the level that I'm at. So we'll save that for the next tutorial.